Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can list products from CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify dropshipping store in just few clicks. You don't have to do manually grabbing the titles, grabbing the descriptions and writing all the tags and adding the images. You just don't need to do this. So I'm going to show you how you can list a product in just few clicks, and the products will directly goes to your Shopify dropshipping store and it's been listed automatically. And you can also automate the prices, and you can also adjust the prices depending on your own niche, depending on your product. So without any further wasting of time, let's get started. First of all, we're gonna jump into our CJ dropshipping store, and there you have to make an account for your CJ dropshipping. It's very simple. Just sign up with your own email and the account has been active. So there you can see different products depending on your own niche type of product you are going to list. So for example, I'm now listing a product like for example, we're gonna choose a product. Let's say we are listing this jewelry and watches. We're gonna take a look which are quite good and not that much expensive. So we are going with that one. Men's beaded hematite cross bracelet set. So we just click on it and it will lead us to the next page where all the information and shipping information has been written. So there you can see 3 days for 80% orders, 4 to 8 days for 15% orders, and there you can see the list option. You just go ahead and list. But before listing, I'm gonna tell you something. Before this listing, you have to go to my CJ. You must have to connect your dropshipping store before listing any product, because if you list a product and your store is not connected, so your products can't be synchronized with the CJ dropshipping. Remember, if the CJ dropshipping, the inventory has been finished, so your product will live and showing to the customer, and you didn't know the inventory is finished or not. But if someone place an order on your store, so when you're gonna check in CJ dropshipping, the product will be over. So what you can do this. So the better thing is that you're gonna list the product after the connection of your store. So first of all, we're gonna go to store authorization and then just click on Shopify. After clicking on it, there you can see an option create your because my store is the store is already linked in this, so you're gonna see option link your store. So it's very simple. So then we're gonna go ahead and click on list. We see some different options, so don't be hesitant. It's very simple. It depending on your market. So for example, the product is from China warehouse. Most of the times the products are in the Chinese warehouses, but they have different warehouses like a US warehouse, Russian warehouse, Europe warehouse. So it depends on your product and market you are choosing. So I'm shipping it to United States of America. Shipping method, I wanna suggest CJ packet ordinary. It's very cheap and the estimated delivery time 8 to 15 days. It's quite good. If you click on DHL, it will charge you $28.30, but it's very expensive, and here you can see the shipping cost decreased to 4.55. Just product type, you're gonna create your own product type. I'm just go ahead and click in gadgets because I already created. Click on collections. I already created a collections. If you can't do these settings, I'm going to show you in the upcoming videos, which I'm going to show you how you can create a page, how you can create a collections, and inside the collection how you're going to separate each and every product. So it's very simple. Don't hesitate. Just simply click on product variation. So keep in mind there is only one variation, but some products they have 13 variants, 40 variants, 20 variants. You don't have to edit each and every price. Just simply go ahead and type your price. How you can calculate the price? The simple formula is that open the calculator. I'm going to open a calculator, and there you can just multiply it by 2. So what is the total cost? 6.12. So we're going to multiply it with 2. 12.24 is the selling price. So click OK and then click on synchronize. Now it will be synchronized, and then click on list it now. So the product is now listing. It will take some time. It depends on the variants. The more variants, the more time it will take. So see, the product is listed now. I'm going to show you the product inside the store. Just copy the title, go to products. There you can see the products and click in the search. There you can see. Here you can see the product which we just listed. Everything is listed automatically. There you can change the prices. Keep in mind how you can change the prices. If you have 13 variants or 14 variants and you want to change a price, so how you can do that? There's a simple trick. Just click on this arrow and click on this and just click on added price. Remember, I'm telling you in the perspective of different and lot of variants. It's just one variant. I'm not telling about this. So click on this and just simply change the price, 35 whatever, and click OK and it will be changed. It's very simple. And now if you want to track your inventory, how you going to track your inventory? Very simple. Just click on edit. After clicking on it, you're gonna see the inventory will be stocked at CJ Dropshipping or your own store. So if your store is already connected with CJ Dropshipping, so it will be automatically goes to CJ Dropshipping. Why it is always it is now showing CJ Dropshipping? Because at the listing stage, what I told you now, I told you to synchronize the product. So after synchronizing the product and the store is already connected to the CJ Dropshipping. So what CJ Dropshipping will do, it will make a connection between store inventory and the CJ Dropshipping. So automatically it will be synchronized. So just if it can't, so you can do it by manually. Just click on CJ Dropshipping and click on track inventory. It will be automatically synchronized. So then how you gonna make percentage discount or give like 50% off or 20% off? Very simple. $12.24. So just for example, I'm giving 24, compare at price. It simply means the original price is decreased from this $24. So this is the sale price and it will show the 40% off and 30% off, whatever your margin it may be. And there you can see the margin 50%. So there are a lot of options, and just click on save and it will be saved now. Then there are a lot of things how you're going to create collections, inventory, purchase orders, how you're going to create gifts. In the next videos I will definitely create a lot of videos about Shopify, and whatever you guys have any questions, any difficulties, just drop down in the comment section. If you guys not understanding and if I can't able to reply you, so I will give you an advance sorry for that. Just I'll leave my social links and also my email is there. Just go ahead and type your query there. Hope you guys love this video. Please do support my channel. Thank you very much.